What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing the brow. This is a Patreon request from Emmanuel J. Vasquez. I think I'm saying that correctly. So this is a Space Jam 2 character. I haven't watched it. I think LeBron. It's instead of Michael Jordan, we got LeBron. So I remember watching Space Jam when I was a kid. It's an awesome film. Right, so I'm on landscape orientation page. Use a pencil, eraser, hit pause if I go too fast, right? So let's start with his brows, right? So center point to my page, about here, up a good bit from the middle, right? And we'll go just around for his big frowning sort of brow. It can be kind of a bumpy line, doesn't have to be perfectly straight. And he's just got a big eyebrow, right? Like so. Okay, and then his eye underneath, so it curves around. Underneath like so. And then his iris and his pupil inside there, so it comes around again. And his pupil, half circle, dark black. So his eye line seems to be a little bit thicker than the others. Right, like so. So this eye is slightly different in the picture I'm drawing from. So this eyebrow is kind of sticking up a little bit. He's like raising his eyebrow, you know. Like, what you looking at? And then, right, so that kind of shape. And then this again, thick sort of eyebrow curves around like so. And we can see more of his eye in this one. So it goes out here and then we curve it around. It's up and then in to there. Right, so then his iris and pupil again, semicircle, curves around like so, and then the pupil just in there, a bit bigger maybe. Try and keep it the same size. Right, so then what we can see of his nose and mouth. So he's got like these frowning sort of lines, these brow lines here. Real big. The brow, I guess it's in his name. And then his side of his nose, so it kind of comes down like that, and maybe same on the other side, quite big, like so. And then his nostrils, one there, and then they join in the middle, like so. And then we can see the skin on the side of his nostrils as well. Comes around so. Like so as well. Right, so then his lip, right, so he's got big top lip, right, so it curves up, comes down in the middle, back up again, down to there, top lip, right? And then the center line for his mouth, so we go up, down, where his top and bottom lip meet, just there. And then his big bottom lip, so he's real big lips now, like so. And then his chin, so just down here, real big. so. So this, he's got a long face, right? So if you're wondering about proportions as well, so like the eyebrow to the bottom of the nose is about the same as bottom nose to chin, maybe just down here. So here to here, about the same as here to here. And then bottom of his nose to his bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here, roughly. Okay? And then, so his face, long, comes up the side. Like so, and just about here we've got like these cheekbones that come out from his sort of brow, sort of comes in this way. Same thing on this side. And these lines kind of become his beard as well, right? So we keep going down just a little bit further with it. And then this black line comes around his top lip. I mean, he's got quite like a skinny sort of mustache that traces around his mouth here. Like so. And then under his lip here we've got like another sort of hairy section that curves around and joins his mustache there. Same thing on this side really. Joins that thin black mustache line there. And you can color that all black if you want. Right, so then, so we can see his ears just coming out from the side of his head here. They're quite small. There, and then around that side. And we can maybe see some just bones and ligaments and things on his ear. Like so. Right, and then, so his hairline. So just coming around here, comes up to like a part in his head that way, and then comes across down like that, and then he's got curly sort of hair, so you want it to be kind of this bumpy sort of line going the whole way around his head, kind of like that, right? So then he has his neck is quite, so he's like low down, so his neck comes this way, right, and around there, and he's got a basketball shirt on, so it goes into a V to about there, and then this side to a V about here, and then we can see a neck muscle coming down there, and here as well, maybe like Adam's apple sort of area too, and then the rest of his strap, so it comes across down that way, and the other side down to there, and then there's like some extra lines on it, so you just got to just go around that again. There, and another one here. Comes around there. Right, so then his shoulders are like wings, right? So real big. And we just do the general sort of shape first, right? So it like comes down like so. You can do these sorts of wing type bumps and stuff on the edges. Like that, and then like his armpit kind of comes into here, right? And you can add more wing texture there in a second, but we'll just comes all the way sort of down this way. And then another sort of armpit like area coming out from here. Right, and then sort of these kind of wing like sort of sections, right? Sort of you can do as much of this as you'd like now. Just sort of to add all coming down like this kind of stuff. And as much of this as you want, really. You don't have to do all of it. You can just do little bits of it. You know, textures like so. Like that. But I think that's it. He's got like some logos and stuff here, but I'm sure you'll be able to sort that out. But that's the main parts anyway. Maybe like a collarbone or something, like a chest muscle line here. Maybe like trapezius, like so. But there it is. That's how to draw the brow from Space Jam 2. Hope it was helpful. Emmanuel, thanks for the request. Anyone has a specific request that I wouldn't normally do like this, head on over to Patreon if you can afford it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.